Welcome guys, so today I am with Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds and I'm going to show you how easy you can pair them with your iPhone. So how to make it? That's very simple. We have to open the case, remove both earbuds, close the case, put it back, and right now, as you can see, these indicators right here blinks on the blue. And it means in the most cases that we are already in the pairing mode. So how to check it? Just go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and take a look if there is no your earphones. So as you can see, in my case it's not working. So how to move them to the pairing mode manually? You have to use this touch control panel, click and hold together for 6 seconds. Keep holding until you hear voice notification, and as you can see, after a few seconds these indicators are blinking another time, and right now they pop on the list. So we can click once to connect. As you can see, right now we are connected with the Bluetooth. So the next step, if you want to unlock more features, you have to go for the App Store and then get this Sony application of the headphones. So we have to open the App Store, type Sony headphones and get this application. Right now, when the download is finished, you can just open, then follow these steps. You have to accept all the permission that pops on the screen. As you can see, when you previously connect this earbuds by using the Bluetooth settings, will be already registered right here in the application, so you don't have to pair them another time in the app. Just follow the steps. We can set up all of these things that I skip right now after the setup. I just want to quickly show you that everything is fine. And there it is. As you can see, we are successfully connected. Right now we got more features to use, like equalizer, like ambient sound or 260 reality audio setup, DSEHX, whatever you want right here. You can make change in the application. So yeah, that's all. That's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.